Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually go ahead and add in text to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I went ahead and created a new blank presentation, and along with that, I went ahead and added these two text elements where I could add a title and a subtitle. And all I have to do to edit this is I just have to do what it says, click to add title. So let's go ahead and left click. Now I can go ahead and fill in the title. Let's just go ahead and name our title Summer. And then for our subtitle, same thing, left click, and I'll just put My Summer is the best season. Okay, so now that I have my title and my subtitle, that's great, that's easy, right? If I wanted to go ahead and add in additional text elements, what I could do is I can come over here to the Insert tab on our ribbon. Then I can come over here to the text box or the header and the footer, or I could add in word art, I could add in a slide number, I could add in all sorts of things. But right now we're just going to go ahead and I'm just going to edit the existing elements that were on my blank presentation. If you want to go ahead and add in additional text boxes or word art or whatever, feel free to do so. But we'll cover that in another video.